Welcome to the Explainer. Today we're digging into Claude Code, a totally new kind of AI coding tool.
So we've had AI coding assistants for a while, right? They're great for suggesting code as you type. But what if you could just delegate the whole task, move from suggestions to real execution? Let's explore that. This brings us to a new kind of tool, the agentic coder, and it's totally different from a simple assistant.
Okay, so let's break down this agent versus assistant idea, comparing it to something like GitHub Copilot.
The whole way you interact changes. It's not about suggestions anymore. It's about delegating the entire job. Copilot lives right in your IDE for quick hits. Claude Code? It often works from the terminal for bigger tasks.
This quote really nails it. You're not pair programming, you're delegating work to a junior engineer.
Think about a huge job, like a massive refactor. An agent can tackle that whole thing at once.
So, how does an agent actually pull this off? Let's get into how it works under the hood. It follows a clear process. First it explores, then it plans, and only then does it implement and commit.
It gets its context from special files and skills you give it, so the code matches your project style. And with something called MCP, it can even connect to outside tools like databases, Jira, or Figma.
Okay, this is key. Knowing when to use which tool. Because, they're for different jobs. Copilot is your go-to for daily coding. It's fast, it's inline, and it lives right inside your editor.
But for big, complex jobs that span your whole codebase, that's where Claude Code really shines. Honestly, you don't have to choose. A lot of developers are going to use both for different things.
Now, when an AI can run commands, security is a huge deal. So let's talk about the safeguards.
The whole thing is built around permissions. You're always in the driver's seat, deciding what it can do.
At the end of the day, you have the final say. Always review its work before you approve anything. This shift from assistant to agent, it's a really big deal for how we'll all work with AI. So it makes you wonder, right? If the AI does the coding, what's our job? We become the directors.